Hello everyone, welcome to Bambatha Kamancinza TV. I'm here to update you ngokuzokwenzeka kuSibongelelo Dlamini's kusukela namhlanje ngomsombuluko umhla ka-17 March 2025 kuya ngoLwesithathu umhla ka-19 March 2025. Ngomsombuluko umhla ka-17 March 2025, now that Samke knows a dark secret, things don't look good for Pattern. Over the celebration of an important nomination, Gwenzo shares a moment of reconnection with Sibongile. Thulisile gets a new idea and turns to Mashona for help. NgoLwesibili mhla ka-18 March 2025, a vengeful Samke rocks up to see Jengai armed with a damning secret. Sibongile and Gwenzo share a romantic day. Sibongile considers giving Gwenzo her virginity. Thulisile starts her new side hustle. NgoLwesithathu mhla ka-19 March 2025, uJengai struggles with Samke revelation. Gwenzo and Sibongile are ready to take their relationship to the next level. Thulisile surprises Mavis and Nell after she makes lots of money from her side hustle. Ke bamba lapho ungakhohlwa ukucozela notification bell nokubscribe nokushiya umbono wakho. Bye.